Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you very much for clicking and coming over to spend some time with me. I hope you stick around, hope you subscribe. If you're a returning viewer, thank you very much for coming back. I really appreciate every single one of you. This week, as you can see, we're in a new location. We're in Transylvania with Dracula's castle right behind me and several bats menacing me. I hope you like this new location, do let me know. And today we're going to be doing a bit of DIY. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is just sneakily showing you some DIY I did quite recently. Now you'll remember my sparkly mock DMs that I got from Primark Children's Department. Well, what I've done is I've made some of those lovely boot wings for them. I was in Poundland just before Halloween and they had some little headbands with bat wings on, and I thought I'm sure I can find a use for those. So I pulled the bat wings off the headband. I stuck a little tiny bit of faux leather on the end, put some holes using my crocodile, put some little rivets round the holes, and hey presto, when you lace up your boots you have little wings going down the side. Aren't they just the cutest thing? And I do know for a fact that boot wings retail for about £10 a pair. So pretty good quick DIY there. Right, so very much requested, and what I am modelling at this moment is how to make a fishnet top out of some tights. Not my idea, I have to say. Quite a few other people have done this before. It's not something that I claim any sort of ownership of, but it's just a really useful thing to know how to do, and a couple of people have asked me to do it, so I'm doing it. Again, you don't have to spend a lot of money. Poundland fishnet tights. They usually only do them at Halloween, so I usually get a load in then. And nice pair of sharp scissors and some ribbon. And this is just from Hobbycraft, but you can use any ribbon. So here are my tights, and as you can see, they have got no sort of top bit, you know, where the fishnet doesn't stop is what I'm saying. It just carries on. There's no sort of like top pants bit or anything like that. So that's what you're looking for, the cheap sort. And the first thing that we're going to do is cut the toes off. So if you do them at the same time, you can line them up, make sure you get them a little bit equal, and just cut the toes off. There we go. And I'll just put my arm down and show you, and get my nails caught. So there it is, completely no toes and ready to go. And the great thing about fishnet is it doesn't run or make ladders or anything like that. And as you can see with mine, I've just cut some little holes to put my fingers through, and on this side I've cut a hole so I can see my running watch. I should have worn my posh glittery watch, but I went for a run this morning and I've still got my running watch on. Right, so that's the first thing. So that's going to be your arms, and if you try this on, you can work out, basically hold it up, work out where your thumb is, make a little snip, thumb hole. So the next thing is where you're going to put your head through. Now there's a number of ways of doing this. You can just hold it and cut straight through both sides. If you do that, then you'll need to make some sort of fastening or ribboning on both sides. So try and get just one side, so your ribboning is going to be like this. It goes down and it goes across. So we get our tights, and do bear with. I am of the Blue Peter generation, so I'm used to doing all sorts of makes at home. If you don't know who the Blue Peter generation are, never mind. So on mine there's like a point that you can see where the centre is, and I'm just going to cut, maybe, how big's that, 2 or 3 inches, maybe a little bit more. And what I would normally do at this point is go away, try it on rather, make sure it's big enough to get my head through, or my hair, or both. And then you take your ribbon, and you can do it either like this, or you can do it when it's on you. It might be easier to do it when it's on you, really. And you just start working out how much you're going to need. So I'm looking at mine and I'm saying it's probably going to be about that much. So you just start threading through one side and you pull it all the way across, and it's like doing up a pair of shoes. You don't have to do anything fancy at all. You just pull it across the bottom, so you've got it equal on both sides, and then do, and there you have it. I'll just move this is also a DIY, which is in keeping with the theme today. I'll just move this out the way. So here it is. So it starts here, goes across the bottom, and then you just do it up as far as you want it, and do it as tight as you want it. So ribbons, you could do different coloured ribbons, you could do different sorts of ribbons. I have got some glittery ribbon I thought I might use at some stage. Bring this back. There we go. The only thing with it is it will get caught on everything. Rings, watches, jewellery, but if you wear fishnet tights anyway, then you'll know that. So that is how you make a top out of fishnet tights. I've also got tops that I made out of stripy tights. I've got black and white one, pink one. I did one the other day. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see I'm wearing sleeves, black sleeves with little white bats on. That's also a pair of Poundland Halloween tights, chopped up. I mean, I wear a vest over the top, obviously, but you can wear it how you want. If you want to try and do this and tag me on Insta, that would be lovely. I really would enjoy seeing some of the ones you make. And just on the theme of DIY, I'm showing you my hair ornament. It's a little, just a plain crocodile snappy hair grip. You buy them in bags of like 8,000 from Amazon, and I chose some seagull feathers, wound them round the hair grip, and then just attached ribbons, lace. The lace has got little tiny seagull feathers on it, charms, that's a little skull, that's a little something, I don't know what it is. So DIY, if you're at home during lockdown and you can't go out and do very much, then this is just the right time to start rootling about, see if you can find things to chop up, pull apart, old necklaces and bracelets that you once thought you loved but now you don't. Take them to pieces, make things out of them. What else did I make the other day? I'm making a hairband, the hairband that these bat wings, I'll show them to you again because they're so cute, the hairband that they came on, I'm wrapping it round with some material that I cut off something that was too long, then I'm going to put some lace on it, then I'm going to put a little toy plastic bat on it, zhuzh it up a bit with some rub and buff, maybe put some gemstones on it. I don't know about the gemstones, I haven't decided, but there's all sorts of wonderful DIYs that you can do just with what you've got lying around at home, and I highly recommend that you have a go. Make something, make a hairband, make a brooch, make some bat wings, make a top, anything. It really makes you feel like you've actually used your time in a productive and useful way, and you come out the other side with something that you're going to wear and something that nobody else will have. And in these days of mass production, how many of us can say we're wearing something that nobody else has got? Not many. Anyway, thank you very much for watching the video this week, and I hope you'll watch again next time. I will say stay safe. I will say stay strange, everybody. Didn't get where I am today without being strange. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye from sunny Transylvania.